Siri, what's your favorite kind of pizza?
Surprisingly, I haven't tried pizza before.
Surprisingly, we're gonna make pizza today out of fried rice. Let's meet the ingredients. Old rice, grated Parmesan cheese, 1 egg, tomato sauce, fresh basil, grated mozzarella cheese, dried oregano, sea salt, and extra virgin olive oil. Alright, first step is we have 2 cups of old cooked rice. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons of the Parmesan cheese and the 1 egg. Now we mix it. Make sure you mix it thoroughly so all the rice is covered with the Parmesan cheese and the egg, because that is going to hold the rice together to make it into a pizza pie. We take a napkin and we just dab some of that olive oil onto it and use that to coat the pan. Next, you turn your pan on to medium low heat and also preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Now while the pan is heating up, add your rice with the egg and Parmesan mixture. And you just flatten it out into a circle, into the shape of the pan. After you flattened it out and you have that nice circle shape, you just leave it for like a minute or two and you'll start to hear it sizzle. You'll start to smell the Parmesan caramelize. And once it starts to move like this, if you just, give it a little wiggle with the back of your spoon and it moves all together, that means it's starting to come together into a cohesive pie, if you will. And once you see that, we can add our tomato sauce. Just enough to cover the bottom part of the so-called pizza. Don't be afraid to turn the stove down just a bit, because it's going to continue cooking in the oven anyway. So you got your tomato down. Now we'll add our cheese. How much cheese is up to you. I am not the biggest fan of mozzarella cheese these days. Now we take our basil. Just put it around anywhere. Now we sprinkle with a little sea salt, sprinkle with a little dried oregano, turn off the stove. Now we're going to carefully slide the pizza onto a pan that is lined with parchment, and we're going to put it in the oven at 400 degrees, and we'll start at about 2-3 minutes and we'll check up on it there. So this is how we want our fried rice pizza to look. It took about 2.5 to 3 minutes in the oven. We just wanted to melt the cheese and warm up the tomato sauce and cook the basil a little bit. So right before we cut it up and serve it, we're going to drizzle a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on top of it. Do it from above like it's falling down from the heavens.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, ma ci sei tuatoncino d'amor, delle belle turbando.
Time to eat! I'm filming a video here. What is all that noise? Let's get a nice slice with basil and cheese and tomato. So we could actually like fold it up like a pizza like this. It holds up a little bit. I wish it were a little thinner, to be honest. So maybe go a little less rice, like 1.5 cups. The taste, not so pizza, not so fried rice, but all the same delicious. I like it. It's a little different. You get the, you see, you get all the toastiness of the parmesan and the egg, which is good, which you get in really good pies. You know, you get that toasty bottom. You don't want soggy pizza. You all should definitely give this a try. It's something different, out of the box. You could definitely put different toppings on it, whatever you want. You want to put pineapple. That's totally up to you. I'm leaving that up to you. Thank you guys for joining me for episode 4 of this fried rice mini-series vlog. Thank you very much. Peace out.